Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make garlic bread. It's perfect with a bowl of pasta. First, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. We'll need unsalted, softened butter, 1 stick. Leave the butter out on your counter for an hour or microwave it for a few seconds to get it soft. Garlic cloves. I grated 4 cloves on a rasp. It'll give you about 1 tablespoon. Flat leaf parsley, finely chopped, about 3 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Fresh is also great if you can get it. Finely grated Parmesan cheese, about ½ cup. For the bread, Italian bread is best. You can find the 1-pound loaf at most stores. It is slightly crispy on the outside, but soft, and it's wide, unlike a baguette. Don't use any hard bread for this recipe. With a serrated knife, slice it in half horizontally. Put the 2 halves face up on a baking sheet lined with foil or parchment paper for easier cleanup. Mix the soft butter in a bowl. Add the Parmesan. Crush the dried oregano between your fingers and add that to the bowl, then the chopped parsley. Mix this all up really well. Add the minced garlic and mix that in evenly. Taste and add salt if you need to. Spread this mixture on the cut side of both halves of bread, as evenly as you can, going all the way to the edges. Bake in the heated oven for 20 minutes. Check at 15 minutes if your oven runs hot. While the bread is in the oven, I made a quick dinner with ground chicken. Make it vegetarian by using tofu or another plant-based substitute. I sauteed onion and garlic, added ground meat, chili flakes, cooked that until golden brown, then added some crushed tomatoes, salt, and basil. These were all ingredients I had in the fridge. Simmer that for a few minutes, mix the sauce with cooked pasta, and you have an easy dinner. After 20 minutes, the edges of the bread are golden brown. The butter, cheese, and herbs have soaked into the soft bread. The bread's crust is a little crispy, but not hard. If you bake it for too long, the bread will get too crispy, and garlic bread should be a little soft in the middle. This is the garlic bread you're going to find at most American restaurants. They probably use less Parmesan though, because it is an expensive ingredient. You can definitely get away with using a 1/4 cup Parmesan instead of half. You saw how quick and easy it is to make garlic bread, as well as a dinner to go with it. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.